Yeah, g'day YouTube, Breezy here. We're in a Ford Territory. The glovebox handle brakes on these things, cheap plastic crap. So in line with the edge of this side is where the lock is. What you do is you grab a wire coat hanger and of course turn it sideways so it's like that, and then you feed it through. So you push down on that tab, and that one's now down like that. So you come over it through the little horseshoe U shape, and then push down the tab, and then the glove box drops. Then you need a size T20 torque screw, and I can't get a drill in there, so I've got to use one of these silly looking things. And there's 3 screws. $38 off eBay is a brand new one. And instead of watching me do this, I'll go from here, and I'll be back in a sec. So we've undone those 3 tech screw bolts. Now this is supposed to just come up like that. There you go. As you can see, it's all broken. Bits of plastic down there. I think having too much stuff in the glove box does it as well. And when you jam the glove box shut, oh man, there's one piece in there I just can't get at the moment. When you jam them shut, the plastic just breaks. But yeah, so that's how you get one out. It's got 3 clips along the bottom edge, so it folds in like that. Well, actually, that would go like that first, I suppose. I think this, it's a 2-hand job. I'll be back in a sec. So yeah, you've got to slide it in, and because there's a point where that sits under, you've actually got to pull the handle back and then slide it down. And I've got my 2OC watching me, make sure I do a perfect job for Kel's mum, because it's Kel's mum's car. Am I doing a good job, Oscar? Am I doing a good job? Yeah? You good boy. Hey, you're getting old, aren't you? Hey, you're getting old. Hey, old boy. Yeah, but you're still my mate. Back to my 2IC. How you going, Oscar? Have I done a good job yet? Okay, so that one's back in. Black, not grey like the factory one. So you can tell it's been changed. First time. Closed. Open. Oh, it's so much better. There you go, done. And that's how you change a glove box lock in a Ford Territory. And for those ones that don't know tyre pressure, go to your Ford Territory glove box and look in there, unless your kids have removed it. 235 70, 235 1670 highway tyres, if you prefer that. Normal load 30 psi, Maximum load fronts 35, rear 40 psi. There you go. And a tow bar rate of 160 kilos. So you put a trailer on and you basically tow an empty trailer, because it probably weighs about 160 kilos. And probably an envelope. But anyway, take care, stay safe, and stick to the speed limit. Unless you're in Mexico. I didn't say that. Did I say that? And sometimes these glove boxes get overfilled and they sag on this side and your light stays on. Get a sticky dot. This one's padded, so it's not hard, but you can get hard ones as well. And it lines up with the, see, there's the light. So when you close it, it's like the fridge. The little man turns the light off. But when you open it, the little man turns the light on. But our light was staying on. So I put a sticky pad there. No more light. There's no light. Awesome. And when you're in the area of Dalby, go to Facebook and check out Cars and Bikes Dalby, driven not hidden, and Scrappy Malone's Pizza.